Let's start with, are you reading closely and looking? Let's circle the question mark and go back to the beginning of the sentence. It says, what is the perimeter of the monster truck rug? So let's go ahead and circle this word perimeter. Remember that perimeter goes around the rim, around the rim, around the rim. Perimeter goes around the rim, combine all the sides, add all the sides. So I'm going to label that as a clue that I need to add all of the sides. And a rug is just a piece of carpet. And here is that monster truck rug that they're talking about. So now that we've read the question, let's cross off the R and the U, and now let's read the details. It says, Armani wanted to put a monster truck rug in his room, and the dimensions, or measurements, of the rug are shown below, and the measurements are just how long the sides are. So now that we've read the details, let's cross off the R and the C, and then we've already labeled as well, so we can go ahead and start with our three-step process. What am I going to do first? The main idea. What is the perimeter of the rug? And my most important clue is going to be this picture right here, which I'm going to label. Remember that to find the perimeter, we have to add all of the sides together. It looks like some of the sides are missing, but we actually have all of the information that we need. Since this top side is 7 feet, and the bottom side looks like it's about the same length, since the top one is 7 feet, the bottom one's also going to be 7 feet, because they're both the same size, same shape, congruent. So since this side is 5 feet, then the opposite side is also going to be 5 feet, and I'm just going to write FT for short. So now that we have all of the sides, we're going to use the trace and label strategy to add them all up easily. I'm going to trace and label. Trace and label plus 5, since I need to add all the sides. I need to trace and label plus 7. I need to trace and label plus 5. So now that I have 7 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5, I need to turn that into a strip diagram. And every time I see a plus sign, I'm going to split it so that I can find my total number. Remember, there's lots of different ways that you could put all of these numbers together, but it's easier just to put the easiest numbers together first. The easiest numbers that I see are 5 and 5. I know that 5 and 5 make 10. And I see the 7 and the 7, and that's just like singing the 7 song. 7, 14. So I need to put together 10 and 14. I know that 4 and 0 make 4, and 1 and 1 make 2. So we have a perimeter of 24 feet. So that would go up here as our total. And that is going to be the horse.